Today, January the 14th, 2023. I'm currently editing the video of this PROAR microphone setup. As you can see, it's the one I have right here. So far, so good. This is a good setup, especially if you're just starting off. It's not so much a review, like I said, but this is just gonna be so you guys can see an unboxing and how it functions. It's pretty good, actually. I'll drop the link in the description. Peace, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, yo, try these from Costco. Thank me later. Alright, so I just picked this up. It was a PROAR. It's just a microphone setup with the boom arm and the windscreen microphone, and I think a pop filter. I don't know, but let's see how this works. Let's check it out. Let's see. It's for Windows and Macs. It's a USB microphone. It's not a XLR. Let's see how this works. It's supposed to work with my iPhone. Let's check it out. Okay. Let's open this up. Alright, so I had to stop recording on my main phone and transfer those videos onto this backup phone because this phone is actually out of storage. But anyways, let's go back to this. Yeah, let's see if we can do this. Okay, here's your manual. So this is the windscreen that comes with it. This is the cable, the stand, the boom arm, and the microphone itself. Why does it look oily? Interesting. Check it out. Alright, so let's change it to the wide angle lens so you guys can take a look at it a little better. I got a mess, but it'll get cleaned up right now. Okay. Feels a little oily, or maybe that's just the texture of the microphone. Interesting. The echo. It feels like solid construction. Not too shabby. So this is how it would look with the windscreen on. Let's put on the boom arm and see how I could set it up on this desk.